Hello, love. I feel like I took procrastination too far this time round. It's on a Saturday night. I have my birthday photo shoot tomorrow. My birthday is on Wednesday, and I have no idea of what I want to do for the dress, for the theme, or even for my birthday. I have spent so long planning my birthday that it's excruciatingly painful that it's at this time and I do not know what to do. Okay, for the hair, this is what I'm going to have, but I still have to look for a hairstyle. My nails, luckily this I done, but I do have a very big issue, especially the fact that I have to make a dress and think of a photo shoot idea and also think about tomorrow. Right now it's at 8 p.m. I have to figure out something. I have seen a couple of things on Pinterest. I will pop them on the screen. I am shooting on my phone because I need to move around fast enough. I have some sketches and I don't think I'm even going to follow through with those sketches. The videos that I've seen on Pinterest, the photos I've seen on Pinterest, I also don't think I'm going to follow through with those because yeah, I need to think of something real fast, and this is kind of a big birthday, so I feel like I need to make something extravagant, something out there, maybe even 2 outfits, you know. Yeah, so let me take you through what I have in mind. Okay, so I have a couple of fabrics. I didn't go fabric shopping this time. I'm using what I have. So I have this plain red wine organza that it's not that much, but it's a lot. I feel like it's a lot. And I have the same shade of organza but with stars on it, and I'm thinking of making an outfit with these two. One outfit whereby I have like a corset top and then just a huge skirt, and I can make accessories. Yeah, that is a little bit much, but yeah. So make the corset with this, do some draping on the corset with this one, make this the outer skirt because it has the stars, and then make this the underskirt so that nothing is out there, everything is hidden. And I feel like that would be giving like a red bride, and it is sort of the theme that I want to go with. It's the theme that I have had in mind for so long. Yeah, and I feel like making the corset is not going to take me that long because I think I do have a pattern that I can use as a corset pattern. So yeah, this is idea number one. If I get time, I'm going to make an LBD, and I'm going to use this velvet fabric, which is extremely short to say the least. It's going to be a really little black dress. So just a strapless dress that gets to around above my knee, and yeah. I know that this angle is a little bit weird, but I do have some updates. Right now I have my front and my 2 backs complete, and it's time to sew in the side seams. And for the side seams, I want to add this piece right here, so I'm just going to pleat that and then add it to the side seams as I sew them together, and then do the boning, because I feel like it's gonna look really cute. So yeah, I am almost done with the top, and the top is the hardest part. The skirt is just pleats and then a waistband. Okay, so this is how far I'm at. I have my corset constructed. This is the piece that gets to crisscross to form a halter, and I am figuring out the closure, and I am thinking of doing the invisible buttonhole so that I can pass the lace in between. I don't know, I'm trying to figure that out, but I think I'm going to go with the invisible buttonhole. And I'm also thinking of not hemming the corset, because this is organza and I can just burn the edges, and that will save me like a lot of time. That is for the corset. The corset is almost done. It's just a matter of figuring out hemming and the closure. And for the skirt, which I told you is the easiest part, it's halfway through. Okay, there's so much fabric. I did pleating, and if I've done pleating, I'm just going to do a basting stitch so that I can make sure that the pleats are intact and not coming off as they just did. So yeah, make a basting stitch, make sure that the pleats do not come off, and then I can attach the waistband that is going to tie around, and the skirt will be complete. I'm not hemming because I'm using the full length of the organza. That means that the selvage is at the bottom. And yeah, so I'm giving myself like an hour to finish this. It's really late, and I'm done with the dress, and I'm also done with my makeup. My hair is not really behaving as I would have wanted it to, but I think I am ready. To take some photos. This is how we're looking. Fluff out the bun. Yeah, that is how we're looking. Let me change my earrings. I want like bigger hoops, so that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, this was a last minute thing, and I feel like the dress has turned out so amazing. So let me just take some photos and take some videos, and I'm going to show you how everything turned out. I didn't manage to make the black dress because, well, I ran out of time. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I would have been able to make it, but it is what it is. I can take photos with a little black dress any day, but I cannot take photos with a gown any day. Okay, well, I can, but yeah, I think my makeup matches so well. Yeah, so those are my hoops, my mini bangs, and I'm going to use this necklace as a bracelet because I have this necklace and it's not going to be that visible even if I wear another type of necklace. So I'm just going to wear this as a layered bracelet. So yeah, let me just show you how the dress, it's a skirt and a corset, how it has turned out. Yeah. I am done taking photos, and the fact that that was successful, it still is amazing and a miracle to me, because well, I started this like 24 hours ago. So yeah, I really do love the dress. I love the corset, but I didn't make the corset so intricately. I didn't hem, I burned the edges, and so I will go back, hem, so that the boning does not eat into me. And also, as you can see, it's not hemmed right here. I'm going to hem that as well. But the skirt is amazing. The fact that I can wear it like a really maxi skirt, and I can tie it into like a rose kind of thing. Amazing. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I am hoping to see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share with a friend. Bye.